Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep Outlook and Microsoft Teams in sync, constantly switching tabs just to schedule or join meetings, this video is going to save you time and stress. Today, I'll show you exactly how to link Outlook with Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes, step by step, so your workflow stays smooth, fast, and fully connected. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for Microsoft 365 Outlook login. Click the official Microsoft link and sign in using your Microsoft account. That's your work or school email and password. If you can't log in, no worries. Just reset your password through the Microsoft account recovery page and navigate to the mail section. Once you're in your Outlook dashboard, head over to the mail section on the left-hand panel. Now, take a look at your navigation bar. You should see a Teams icon, which looks like two people with a T. That's your bridge between Outlook and Microsoft Teams. Link Teams in Outlook, click that Teams icon. This instantly connects Outlook to Teams and opens the Teams interface right inside Outlook. You're now able to chat, schedule, or join meetings without ever leaving your inbox. Open Microsoft Teams. Next, open Microsoft Teams, either from your Microsoft 365 dashboard or directly through the Teams desktop app. Make sure you're logged in with the same Microsoft account you use for Outlook. That's a key step that keeps your calendar, messages, and meetings perfectly synced. Now you're all set. You can schedule or manage Teams meetings straight from Outlook emails. See meeting invites instantly appear in your Teams calendar and never waste time switching between apps again. It's seamless, efficient, and built to make your daily workflow effortless. And that's it. Your Outlook and Teams are now officially linked. If this guide helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Microsoft 365 tutorials, and let me know in the comments what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.